know the procedure in Uttar Pradesh that if you file a suit, it is heard on the same day. Point number two, as per the legal provisions of the CPC under Order 26 Rule 9 of the CPC, ex-party orders can be passed for appointment of Advocate Commissioner. And for that, there's a direct judgment of the Supreme Court 1989 1 SCC, page 19, where the Supreme Court has said that Advocate Commissioner appointment is not a prejudicial order because the report of the Advocate Commissioner is merely an opinion. It is subject to confirmation of the court, and both the parties get the chance to cross-examine or to make their objections to the report of the Advocate Commissioner. So to canvass this order as a very prejudicial order, I think it is against the fundamental principles of the CPC, against the fundamental principles of Order 26 Rule 9. What is the mandate of the Supreme Court is that when the Advocate Commissioner is appointed and when he goes on to carry the survey, the only mandate is, as per the law, is that he has to inform the other side and other side must participate in the survey, which was done in this case. Now, yes.
Go ahead. Complete your sentence and then I'll take it to Mr. Silas.
Now the timeline is this. When the court passed an order at 2:38 p.m. on 19th of November, Advocate Commissioner was appointed at around 3:30 and he decided to conduct the survey on the same day. He informed the authorities to facilitate him for conducting the survey, and he informed us also that we are going to conduct the survey. The most clinching part in this entire chain of events is that the masjid side lawyer, Mr. Zafar Ali, also gave his consent to participate in the survey, and they participated in the survey. Now the point is this, that when we were doing the survey on 19th of November, the question is, what was the MP of the Samajwadi Party doing there during the court proceedings? He was not allowed by the court to participate in the survey. What was the MLA of the party doing there when the survey was going on?
Okay, so let me just get that. You're saying what was the MLA doing? But
yeah, there are clear visuals and footages that when we are conducting the survey as per the court's order. See, just a minute, let me finish it.
Yeah.
As per the court's order, who was allowed to enter into the survey premises? 3 lawyers from the Masjid Committee, 5 members of the Masjid Committee, the lawyer for the central government, the lawyer for the state government, and 2 lawyers for the plaintiff. These were the only person who were authorized to enter the premises when the survey exercise was carried out.
You are saying what was the legislator doing there?
Yeah, and apart from that, 200 and 300 people entered the area, and they objected us while doing the survey, and because of that, the survey couldn't happen on 19th of November. So this story which is given, कि survey 19 को बड़े peacefully हो गया, it's absolutely wrong, sir. 19 को survey peacefully नहीं हुआ. There were slogans which were chanted, and we were asked to leave the premises. Otherwise, they will not be able to hold the crowd. This was specifically told to us.
Okay, I'm sorry because I'll have to perhaps interrupt here, Mr. Silas. You're saying just 10 seconds because I have another guest joining us on this broadcast. 10 seconds to respond to what Vishnu Shankar Jain had to say.
The statement that Mr. Jain has just given, the answer lies in that. There are more than 5 crore 10 lakh cases pending in India.
Okay.
Same day the petition is heard, legally fine. Same day the committee is formed, and same day the survey is done. That raises question.
Okay. Now this is an issue that we'll perhaps once again delve upon because there are larger unanswered questions right now. But thank you very much, Vishnu Shankar Jain, as well Vivek Silas, for joining us on this debate. We have a special guest joining us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Bikram Singh Majithia of the Shiromani Akali Dal joining us on this special debate. Mr. Majithia, a short while back, a sensational allegation that was levelled by you against the Bhagwat Mann government. Is there any evidence that the Shiromani Akali Dal has while making some grave charges against the Aam Aadmi Party?
I'm going to first place a few facts on the table for the people in this country to know that the last time that shots were fired in Golden Temple were in 1984 by Indira Gandhi and the forces. And now it is in 24 that again shots have been fired in the vicinity of Golden Temple. So that itself speaks volume of the law and order claim by the Aam Aadmi Party government. Mr. Kejriwal will only do politics on all these issues. He talks about a law and order situation in Delhi, but totally forgets the law and order situation where his government, where his party is in government. It is this state where a famous singer, Sidhu Moosewala, has been shot dead in broad daylight. All the weapons used for that murder were smuggled from Pakistan cross-border. They had Arvind Kejriwal's government napping. The second incident was of a famous